Look at the Pleiades on a clear night, and you're looking at hundreds of stars that were born from the exact same cloud of gas siblings that are already, slowly, drifting apart. When a giant cloud of gas and dust collapses under its own gravity, it doesn't usually produce just one star. It fragments into hundreds, sometimes thousands, of stars forming together in the same region, over roughly the same few million years. Freshly formed, these stars stay loosely bound together by gravity in what astronomers call an open cluster, a much looser, younger, less crowded grouping than a globular cluster. A typical open cluster can contain anywhere from a few dozen to a few thousand stars, and thousands of them have been catalogued within our own galaxy's disk, ranging from newly formed groups still wrapped in the gas they were born from, to older, looser groupings already coming apart. The Pleiades, visible to the naked eye and sometimes called the Seven Sisters, is one of the nearest and best studied open clusters, roughly 440 light-years away and only about 100 million years old, young enough that its brightest stars still burn hot and blue, and astronomers can still see faint traces of the leftover gas cloud they formed from, lit up by their light. The cluster has been recognized across countless cultures for millennia, appearing in Greek mythology, Japanese folklore as Subaru, and the night sky traditions of peoples on nearly every continent, making it one of the most universally observed objects in the sky, long before telescopes existed. Unlike globular clusters, open clusters aren't gravitationally strong enough to hold together forever. Individual stars pass close to each other over millions of years, exchanging just enough gravitational momentum to gradually fling members outward. The gravity of the surrounding galaxy tugs at the cluster too, stretching it thin over time. Most open clusters dissolve entirely within a few 100 million years, their stars scattering to become ordinary, unrelated-looking members of the galaxy's disk. As the cluster's orbit carries it through the galaxy's spiral arms, gravitational tugging from passing gas clouds, called tidal stripping, peels away stars a little at a time. Our own Sun almost certainly formed inside an open cluster of its own, 4.5 billion years ago, alongside thousands of sibling stars. That cluster dispersed long ago, and its members are now scattered across the galaxy. Some studies have proposed candidate solar siblings light years away, but after billions of years and countless orbits around the galactic center, tracing any single one back with certainty is extraordinarily difficult. Subscribe for more of the family trees hiding in the night sky. Young cluster.